Hi, my name is Dory, and I'm an engineer. And like many of you, I was worried that AI will replace me. I believe that my 20-year career working across 4 continents for companies like IBM and Microsoft and Hearst and Sabre, BCG, startup from San Francisco that raised tens of millions to Tel Aviv startups to my own companies and products is now finished as LLM write code and programming is obsolete. So I did what I do best when I'm worried or concerned. I started reading and researching and talking to people. And I have reassuring news. Don't worry. The aliens have already landed. They're already here. They write code and they're replacing programming and they're making huge changes. Software engineering is dead. Long live software engineering. It's a little bit of that. It's a bit like the corny proverb about the tree trunk and the grass of blade. It's a time of change. It's a time to adapt. It's a revolution or an evolution or whatever you want to call it. It's a huge change. But with that comes also great opportunities. Things that took months now take weeks or days or even hours. If we know how to talk to these magical beasts, we can make them write amazing code. The rise of vibe coding, where so many people are writing amazing software. Or VCs are gambling who's going to be the billion-dollar single founder company. These things are going to become reality. And that's where we got to learn how to use this power. AI will change engineering forever, maybe the biggest impact ever. So what we want to do is learn how to harness this power, how to use it, and how to evolve. AI in the short term won't replace you, but a human with AI will. And this is exactly why I'm making this video. I've been fortunate enough to work with some of the brightest minds around in the last few years. I've built some AI and AI delivery systems with amazing ML and backend engineers, and I've learned a lot of lessons on how to build them. I want to share that with you. I've also learned a lot about how to write code and how to write code with LLMs in high impact engineering teams, and I want to share that with you. I want to do deeper dives and give back to the community. I want to learn like I do and research and really understand how to work best with these LLMs. And I want to share all of that with you. I want to open source tools and create a lot of really great content that lets engineers and engineering leaders get the maximum from working with LLMs. And the best thing is I'm going to do all of that in a build in public format. So I'm trying to give back everything I can. I'm going to show you how I hustle. I've been involved in so many startups. I know a lot of tips and tricks that I want to share. Not just that, but in-depth ideas about how I hire and how we build teams and how we run all of this operation. I want to show you the successes, the failures, where I screwed up, where I did amazing. And I want to give all of that back to you so you can both learn how to build things from a scrappy way and share my 20 plus years experience and how to do AI in engineering and how engineering needs to use AI to build new systems. So click subscribe and let's start learning stuff together.